and it is an honor to have the opportunity to address you today, even in a virtual setting, as we come together to explore the pressing issue of transforming passenger transport in Eastern Europe. On behalf of the Ministry of Transport and Communication of Lithuania, I would like to share valuable insights and lessons we have gathered from our experiences. First and foremost, we must acknowledge the growing concern and impact of transport pollution on the environment and human health. The combustion of fossil fuels, inefficient engines and vehicles, traffic congestion, and car dependency contribute significantly to air pollution from the transport sector. These factors have detrimental effects on the quality of our air and the well-being of our communities. It is imperative that we address this issue urgently. Moreover, coping strategies for transport pollution encompasses a range of measures. This includes the adoption of emission-free technologies, investment in sustainable infrastructure, behavioral changes, and the implementation of policy and regulatory measures. To effectively tackle the complexity of transport pollution, a combination of these measures is necessary. Collaboration between government, industry, and individuals is vital for the successful implementation of integrated and comprehensive solutions. We must recognize that political tools play a crucial role in achieving decarbonizational goals. This involves actions at the European, national, and local levels of government. At the European level, the European Green Deal sets the ambitious goals of leading the EU toward a green transition, ultimately aiming for climate neutrality by 2050. This comprehensive framework addresses various sectors, including transportation, and calls for substantial reductions in greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, the Paris Agreement, which the EU is committed to calls for efforts to limit the global average temperature increase to well below 2 Celsius above pre-industrial levels and pursue endeavors to keep the increase to 1.5. The EU's Fit for 55 package aligns with these objectives by targeting a reduction of greenhouse gas emissions by at least 55% below 1990 levels by 2030 and striving for climate neutrality by 2050. To achieve this, the package requires a substantial 90% reductions of GHG emissions from the transport sector. This necessitates innovative and sustainable solutions in passenger transport. At the national level, Lithuania has established transport pollution reduction targets in key national strategic legal acts, such as the National Energy and Climate Plan of Lithuania and the Law on Alternative Fuels. Collaboration between the Ministries of Transport, Environment, and Energy ensures the coordinated implementation of these plans. By combining efforts and expertise across different sectors, we can effectively address the challenges posed by transport pollution. Lithuania has already made significant strides in implementing measures outlined in the National Energy and Climate Plan. Examples include the adoption of sustainable urban mobility plans, SUMPs, support for the acquisition of clean public transport, electrification of railways, subsidies for electric vehicles, and the development of charging infrastructure. These initiatives are designed to reduce emissions, improve air quality, and promote sustainable modes of transportation. At the local level, Lithuania is taking proactive steps to combat transport pollution. The Lithuanian law on alternative fuels mandates the implementation of low emission zones in the most polluted and busiest urban areas from 2025 onward. Currently, Lithuania boasts 20 sustainable urban mobility plans, with 5 additional cities in the process of establishing their own plans. These measures focus on reducing GHG emissions within the transport sector and improving the quality of life for urban residents. Cooperation and public involvement are paramount, especially when it comes to a lower scale strategic and implementation projects. Our approach aims to only to impose restrictions, but also to encourage positive change. For instance, subsidies for up to 5,000 euros are provided to individuals interested in purchasing electric cars, promoting the adoption of cleaner and more sustainable vehicles. In conclusion, I would like to extend my congratulations on the successful completion of the IOKI 2-year research project, Closing Gaps in the Passenger Policy Framework. This project sheds light on Eastern European transport policies and practices, with a particular focus on Lithuania, Hungary, Poland, and Romania. The insights gained from this research will undoubtedly contribute to our collective efforts to transform passenger transport and combat transport pollution in Eastern Europe. Together, let us continue working collaboratively to create a sustainable and environmentally friendly future for our region. By implementing comprehensive measures, fostering innovation, and engaging all stakeholders, we can achieve lasting change in the passenger transport sector. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to fruitful discussion and productive collaboration in the pursuit of a greener and more sustainable future. Thank you very much.